So when you are having our new tool that will do the automatic scheduling for you, you will have a new AI icon at your ERP. So when you click it, you will have a completely new calendar system here. This is a hyper-modern new calendar that has a couple of really interesting features and UI improvements. For example, this full year is immediately scrollable. You can use your touchpad, for example, to scroll, for example, to the any week you would like to, and it will load based on where you are, the events and the tasks and offers there, and you can easily move to any week during the year. For example, to week 30, it will scroll there and then load all the offers there. In this demo, we don't have offers here, but for example, you're going to go back to today and you will see the offers we have in this demo ERP. And if you would like to see more, for example, you have a huge amount of installers or workers in your calendar, you can just press the minus and you can see more in the same view, and you have still all the same tools available. You can easily scroll to any week and see immediately the tasks there, and you can then move back the 100% zoom just by clicking the zoom ratio. And also, if you would like to see more data in these events here, you can go to the gear and then you can change the cell width, and you can just click the use, and then it's there's a more, you can add more text to the one event. So it's up to your liking how you would like to see and look your calendar. I can go to the little bit tighter cell width, so here. And of course, you can choose what calendars you would like to see. You can move to any year. You can change the weeks using this selection also. So these are the basic UI improvements we have done for this AI calendar. But that's not the most important part. The most important part is how you can actually automatically find, for example, the best places for new events. So I will show you in this demo 2 ways you can use our calendars. You will get a new ad hoc demand. For example, somebody calls or you have a new order there, you would like to add calendar just one by one or just that one. You can go to the planning mode. You can select the order you would like to plan to the calendar. You would like to know who would be the closest one and where it would fit best in this full calendar. So actually, when I click the planning mode, I can select here easily any order we have, the open order that has not yet scheduled for anyone. So I can, for example, write just a search term. It will, for example, write all the Koskinen, and I can add new search terms there, and it will then even focus more to those search terms. So it's really easy to find the right orders. What would you like to schedule? So I will go and click this. Vilkin Asunnot, that is at Jyväskylä. So you can see that it immediately found a couple of best workers for that. And there is how it calculates it. It tries to find what's the best worker for that and what would be the best day or time for it. So we are sorting these based on how many extra kilometers you would need to drive in order to make that new order. So there is, for example, the first one is Henry Toivonen. It fits to his calendar so that there is only nearly just 2 kilometers extra drive during that day if we add it to Henry Toivonen's calendar on Wednesday. So that's a really good match. So you can also see here in a calendar, here is his home icon. He's going to the work early morning. This is his first job. And then this would be a really good fit here. And then there's a second job during this day if we don't add this to the calendar on Wednesday. And then he finally drives home. And just by clicking this plus icon, we can add this to Henry's calendar. And that's it. It was that automatic. And of course, if we think that, okay, it doesn't fit Henry so well here, we can just click and see there are other good fits also. And we can see how many extra kilometers it would add if we select this specific day and time and worker. So that's how you can easily find for the new task or offer the best possible worker and day and time for the task. I think this is pretty magical, but that's not all. So let's go to that. We have a multiple open orders there, and we would like to plan the whole week, not just one, but the full week for some worker. So for example, we take here Henry Toivonen, and let's, for example, plan Henry's week 7. So Henry, we can see that he's living at Lievestuoren near Jyväskylä, and this is his home address. So by default, every day he starts from his home, is driving to the workplaces, and then driving back to home. But for example, we can make workers to make travel jobs. For example, they would like to go to live in some hotel and work from there. So let's, for example, to Wednesday at that Henry would go to the Jyväskylä and is having a hotel there and working from there. It's the hotel. Okay. So Wednesday, Henry will be in the hotel at Jyväskylä and working from there. And all the other days, he will start from home. And then we can plan the week. We just click plan the week 7, what kind of tasks we would like to plan. And then we just click optimize, and we are starting to cook our weekly plan for Henry. And it's really calculating the best possible days, routes, and everything. It's a huge puzzle. So let's see what we got here. So on Monday, you see Henry is starting from his home, driving here, and back home. So it really found really good day for Henry, and he can do many jobs during that day because we have really well optimized all the traveling and the task they order and all that. Okay, Tuesday, same story. And Wednesday, we were starting from the hotel that was at Jyväskylä. I'll click that, and you see there's a new symbol. Here is the hotel, and he drives here, and back to the hotel. Pretty magical. So and on Thursday, he's starting from home and having this kind of a route. And this is the optimal week calculated using all the available, actually the open tasks we have, and trying to find best week for Henry. And it's working really well. And then we can actually call those customers and ask if that time is good for you. and then we can close it and it will go to the Henry's calendar. And you can, of course, also delete some days and recalculate the day. You can also calculate just single day, for example, and it will just fill the best possible routes for that. So it works also not just for the week, but for the days also. So that's it, pretty much how it works. It's really simple to use, but really powerful when you start using.